Guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing a product empties video. I have my little baggie here plus a couple items that didn't fit inside that. I look a little different today. I actually have my hair straight for once. I mean straight-ish, you know, I rarely ever have it like this. I always curl my hair or something like that. But here we are. Please ignore the mess in the background. My bed is not made, and that's just the way it is. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to start off with the couple items that didn't fit inside my little baggie that you saw, and that would be, first off, a bottle of the Morphe Prep and Set setting spray. I love this stuff. I've gone through so many of these. I have another one already that I'm using, and the continuous mist is just what makes it so good. I mean, yeah, it's a great setting spray, you know, it helps your makeup last a long time and all of that, but the continuous mist is what makes it the best for me. So I love this. Will purchase again, have purchased again, will continue to purchase. I love it. Next up is a bottle of the Not Your Mother's Blonde Moment Seal and Protect Leave-In Spray. I love this stuff. Obviously, I'm blonde now, and this is a purple tinted spray leave-in conditioner. I use it all the time. When I get out of the shower, I spray it through my hair, and then I either scrunch my hair or go on to do whatever it is that I'm going to do to it, whether it's blow drying it and then curling it or whatever. But I always use this stuff, and it's great for when I'm really lazy. I am someone that, I know it's horrible, but I hate conditioning my hair because I feel like it takes so long to like rinse the conditioner out, or else your hair feels like slimy when you get out of the shower. So sometimes I will even not condition my hair in the shower and then just spray the shit out of it with this, and my hair is still pretty healthy considering that I've bleached it so many times. So I love this stuff. I have like 2 backups in my house, I think, right now. So it's a good one. Now into the little baggie. I'm just gonna reach in and grab. Okay, this is a Oribe dry texturizing spray. I got this in one of my monthly subscription boxes. I don't know which one. I don't remember. I used it. It was fine. I believe this one smelled really nice. I am not someone who goes and purchases texturizing spray. I mean, the only time I have done that is I used to use sea salt spray a lot, which I guess counts as a texturizing spray. But I have a couple samples still of different kinds of texture sprays. So this was good. It was fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but I'm just not going to be buying it. It's not something that I reach for all the time. This is a sample of the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I liked this. I used it. It was really nice. It removed my makeup. You know, it's similar to the Clinique makeup removing balm or the Pond's cold cream. With that said, the only reason why I'm not going to go out and purchase this is because I use the Pond's cold cream and it's super cheap. So I don't know how much this is. This might not be that expensive, but there's just the convenience of being able to get the Pond's cold cream at the drugstore, and I didn't love this so much that I'm like, oh my god, I need to go buy it. I went through a sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I really like this stuff. I have yet to go buy it, but it's something that I would consider buying. I definitely recommend it. It is a light cream. Almost feels like it's like a gel. I don't like the Smashbox regular Photo Finish primer. It's too silicone-y for me. This one does not feel silicone-y at all, which I love. It moisturizes your skin, gets it ready for makeup, and I really love it. So Highly recommend. And it has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which I don't know what that second one is, but I know hyaluronic acid is like good for your skin and stuff. So I have a bottle of the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. This setting spray, it worked. I liked it. It was fine. However, when I picked this up, I was going to get another bottle of the Maybelline setting spray that I love. But then I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I love the Infallible foundation. Let me try this. So I just grabbed it, went right up to the register, bought it. This was $19. Okay, I lied. It was actually $18. No. Drugstore, $19. No. No, 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 no. Not worth it. Not buying it again. I finished a bottle of the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I really enjoy this setting spray. It smells really nice. It has a really nice spray. Obviously, like I've said, I love the continuous mist of the Morphe setting spray, but this one does have a really nice fine mist. Like, it doesn't feel like you're getting shot in the face with a fire hose like some setting sprays do. I got a sample of the Tarte Maneater mascara and I really enjoyed it. I actually went out and bought a full size recently, which if you saw my IGTV video, you know that because I did a little unboxing over there when I got in my Ulta order. So I loved this mascara. For the longest time I was set on my Benefit Roller Lash, but I actually am obsessed with this. It's really good. I got a sample of this Supergoop Defense Refresh Setting Mist with Rosemary and SPF. I didn't actually finish this because I really wasn't a fan. It smelled too much like sunscreen to me. And the spray wasn't that good either. It was a pretty harsh spray, so I didn't even finish using this. I really was not a fan. I got a sample of the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask, and I love this. My friend Jess loves this. We actually call it the butt mask because it makes your face as soft as a baby's butt. It's so good. It's a little bit pricey, but I feel like it is worth it. And Jess is actually someone who has sensitive skin, and she really loves this mask too. So definitely recommend if you have sensitive skin and you want your skin to be baby soft. Finished another tube of the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, my absolute favorite foundation. You guys know I use this all the time, nothing new here. I got a sample of the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover Liquid. I really liked it. I felt like it worked. It was very gentle on the skin. It took off my makeup really easily. But me personally, I'm just not a fan of removing my makeup with products like this because I feel like I have to use so much of it to get my makeup off. And that could be just me, but if you like products like this, I think you would like this, but it's not something that I'm going to go out and buy for myself. I finished a tube of the Tarte, what's it called? I'm trying to read it. The shade is called Buff Quench Lip Rescue. Tarte Quench Lip Rescue. So it's like a tinted lipstick lip balm thing. And I finished down to the last. Can't twist it up anymore. And I was even like going like that to try to get every last bit out of it. I really liked it. It smells very good. It's like minty a little bit, but not like super minty. So like if you don't like mint, don't be scared because it's not that minty. It gives your lips a nice little tint, very moisturizing. It feels very fresh because of the little bit of mintiness. I kept this in my purse, and if I was like going out, sometimes I wouldn't bring with me whatever lipstick I had worn that day, because once that worn off, I would just put this on because it would give me like a little bit of a color tint and moisturize and all of that good stuff. I'm not sure that I would go out and purchase this because tinted lip balms are not something that I use all the time, but it is a really good product. If you love tinted lip balms, I definitely recommend the Tarte Quench Lip Rescue, whatever it was called that I said before. I finished a tube of the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is one of my absolute favorite drugstore concealers. It has a nice big doe foot, which I love. I haven't repurchased this only because I've been using the e.l.f. concealer, which is so good. But I definitely do recommend. It is one of my favorites. I finished a little sample of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. I love the Rainforest of the Sea line. It smells so good. I enjoyed this, but it's not something I'm going to go out and buy. I have other cleansers that I enjoy more. I finished a tin of my favorite lip balm. This is the Smith's Rosebud Salve. I love this stuff. I get it in the squeezy tube now because this, if I like leave it in my purse and it's really hot, it will melt, which is not fun. Because then it can get messy and no good. So I get the squeezy tube now, but this is my absolute favorite lip balm. I love it so much. It is one of the only lip balms that actually heals my chapped lips, and I have really bad dry chapped lips, and this is like so good. I actually have a sample here of the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm that I briefly mentioned before when talking about the other makeup removing balm. I really liked this. I did like the way that it took my makeup off, but I felt like I had to use a lot of it. And the thing is, like, I use a hefty scoop of the Pond's cold cream when I use that, but that is super cheap, so I don't feel bad about using a hefty scoop. Whereas this, with the amount of it that I had to use, I'm not sure I feel like it's worth it. I mean, some people I know swear by it and love it so much, and I mean, great for you, but I don't know, it's just not something I feel like I would spend my money on, because I feel like it's not going to last me that long, considering how much I have to use to take off my makeup, take off my full face. So, and I mean, I know I love a good cake face, but still. I finished a tube of Juice Beauty Stem Cellular 2-in-1 cleanser. I believe this is a cleanser that I decided to keep in my shower and use whenever I wash my face in the shower, because I kind of go back and forth. It varies by day, like if I wash my face when I'm in the shower or if I wash my face just at the bathroom sink. So I keep one cleanser on the sink and one cleanser in the shower. Not that that really matters in terms of the actual performance of the cleanser, but I wasn't a huge fan. I didn't really like the smell. It's not a bad smell, but it just wasn't my favorite. And I have other cleansers that I liked more. So, I mean, I used it. I used every last drop. It didn't do anything funky to my skin. That said, as you guys know, I said it before, I do not have sensitive skin. But not going to be purchasing it. I finished a Be Fine Food Skincare Gentle Cleanser with sugar, mint, oats, and rice. This is another one that I used to the last drop, but really was not a fan of the smell. And I know that's probably because it's all like natural oats and rice and all kinds of stuff that is really good for you. But I want a cleanser. I'm like rubbing it all over my face, you know, like I want it to also smell good. So I'm not gonna buy this because the smell just kind of put me off. I was not a fan. And lastly, I finished a little tube of the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. I really, really enjoyed this. It's like a gel moisturizer. I love gel formulas. One of my favorite moisturizers is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which is a blue kind of gel moisturizer. And that I can like slather all over my being. I love it so much. And this one, I feel like compared to that, it had a fantastic smell. It smells so good. I don't know that I would go out and purchase it. Maybe. But it was really good and I really enjoyed it. So yeah. And that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!